What's up guys, Sean here. Welcome to my Shotcut tutorial series where I teach you all the main features of Shotcut, and I'll teach you guys how to use Shotcut. So for those of you guys who don't know what Shotcut is a free and open source video editing tool, and it's really simple to use, and I use it for all my videos. I have been using it since the fourth video I made. I've been using Shotcut, and it's a really good piece of software. And in today's video I'll show you guys how to download and install and use it, and there are more videos about this coming up. So today we'll be just getting started with Shotcut. So first we'll open up our web browser, and I'll just go back. I'll just type Shotcut again. You can type in Shotcut, and you should see shotcut.org, and you should go to downloads on the top. Now there's two options. You can download the installer, or you can download the portable zip. So I'll download that 64-bit portable zip. I'll download it, and you can choose from these two sites. I'll be using from GitHub, and the download should begin. Okay, so my download is complete, and now we can open up our file explorer, and we can head to downloads. And the way I like to do this is, like I told before, I usually create a new folder here and then name it. So I'll name this Shotcut, and then I'll download this. I'll move this to Shotcut. Now I downloaded the zip file because it's easier to install, and when there are updates, you won't get automatic updates in Shotcut, so I go for the zip version. Now if you want to install it, you can just install it. So now I just extract this here, and that will just extract. Just take a few minutes. Let's just wait for that to get extracted completely. Yes, and that's done. And now we'll delete the... Okay, we'll just keep it there for now. And now we can open the Shotcut file, and you'll see all of this. And at the bottom you should see shotcut.exe. We can just click that. Now if you want to create a shortcut if you want to create on your desktop, you can just do that. I don't do that because I like to do it this way. I have PowerToy, so I can just search for this and I'll get it. Okay, now we'll wait for it to start. Yes, and now it has started. And now you can see this is what you see when you start it. And you can see projects folder, you can see the project name, you can see the video mode. When you click on that, you can change it. I keep it at HD 1080p 60 fps. Now you can keep it at more, but I keep it at this because I record footage, I record 1080p footage, so I just keep it there. And you can name the project. So I have selected the projects folder as C drive. You can just click on that and select. And now we'll type a project name. So I'll type test1, and we can click start, and that should so you won't see anything more, and that should come. If that closes, if you click start and that closes, then you have done it properly. Now one thing about this about Shotcut is all these are dockable dialogues. So this is, you can just move this as you like. So I see the timeline here, and now I can just move it like this wherever I want. If I move it, I can keep it down, and if I want to keep it, I can just keep it here. That'll come. And if I want to close it, I can just hit this close icon. I'll just show you guys how to close everything and then open it again, because this was a problem I faced. Like I thought I closed everything and I didn't know how to get it back. So just so you guys know how to get it back. Now once everything is closed, you can go to the timeline. You can see all the options here. So first we need the timeline where we add all our tracks, whether it's audio or video. So I'll just click that, and that should come. And if this is not where you want it to be, you can just move that as you like. I'll just keep it here. And then it's the playlist, because a playlist is where you add your tracks first, and then you add it to the timeline. And the next is filters. I won't be covering filters in this video, I'll be covering it in the next video. And then you can add your export, and then you can select jobs, and this will show what all is running. So if you're exporting your file, you'll see that. And then you can do whatever you want. And now you see this here, you see the empty screen here. Now this screen will get the video you put when you add a track here. So we'll just add a track. So I have some clips downloaded, a few video clips of a beach and a rocky type area, a sea I think. So I found these pictures on Pexels, which is a free site for pictures and videos. You can check that out, I'll leave the links in the description. Now to move these pictures to Shotcut, you just have to select both of them and drag it to the playlist. You make sure you have playlist selected because there are 3. If you have opened all of these together, you should see playlist, filters and export. So just click playlist and then you can just add all of these. And now we can select one of these clips, whichever you want. So I'll just take the shortest one, which is this one. I think it's only 8 seconds. I'll take that and I'll add it to the timeline. So now it'll just come and I can just drag it to here. And when you click the project, you can view it. And that should you can view everything you have done. If you have added more tracks, all of that will play. And that's it for today's video. I'll be making more videos about this Shotcut in the coming days. So make sure you're subscribed. Please like, and thanks for watching. This is Sean signing off.